Okay, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a very long awaited, long anticipated video from me, and it is my university room tour. So I feel like quite a few of you might be new around here, so to get you up to speed, I am doing an art foundation degree at Leeds Art University, and I have moved to Leeds to study. I moved into Hull 5 days ago when you're watching this, so I've had 5 days to make this room my own, and I think I've done a pretty good job if I say so myself. I do quite like how I've decorated it. It's not perfect, but as student accommodation goes, I do think that it is quite nice, and I have been pretty lucky because I applied to the course quite late. So yeah, without further ado, I am just going to get on with the room tour because I feel like it might be a quite long video. So please do subscribe if you are new around here. Head down below, hit the bell notification, you'll be notified when I upload, and we're getting so close to 100,000 subscribers, so you guys can go mad with that. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and I am just going to get straight into the room tour. Let's go. So as you come into the room, you close the door behind you, so it looks like this. I've written myself a little post-it note to say remember your key, because I've already locked myself out, but this is what you see. So you have the coat racks here. I feel like these are pretty standard, and when I moved in I actually did say I didn't want to hang my coats on the coat racks because I think this looks untidy. However, that lasted 3 days because I just can't be bothered to keep hanging them in the wardrobe. I will link them below because I get so many questions about my jackets. This one is from I Saw It First, this one is from Primark, and then this one is from Topshop. I wore this one today because it rained, this one last night because it was cold and we went for a food shop, and then this one is just my general jacket that I live and die in. And then straight away on the right is the bathroom, so I will show you the bathroom first. That's the wrong light switch. Pro. So the bathroom is pretty small. I do have an ensuite because that was an essential part of moving to university for me. I really didn't want to share a bathroom. I just think that that is kind of disgusting and really not for me. This is the bathroom. It comes with a sink, a little shelf, and then I've got this little chest of drawers just down here for, like, you know, essential toiletries and stuff like that. And then I have this massive basket. It's not really a basket, is it? Like a Tupperware tub full of shampoos, conditioners, eyelashes, fake tan, body sprays, body wash, like all of the toiletries that I have brought from home. And then the toilet with the toilet cleaner, the toilet roll, the air freshener, and then this little shelf with a rubber duck and some vitamins and like moisturizer. And then this is my shower. Now I haven't actually used this yet. Don't think that that's disgusting because I've actually only been living here for 2 days when I'm filming this. I'm about to have a shower after I've filmed this video, but yeah, this is my shower. And then I've got my towels hung up here and my dressing gown on the back of the door, so the door kind of like doesn't open fully because of all the stuff, but it's fine. And I'm not gonna lie, so far my experience with the bathroom has not been amazing because the toilet doesn't stop flushing. Like right now it's fine because I haven't flushed it today because I went to the toilet at uni and haven't been in this toilet. Once I start flushing it, it does not stop. The water just keeps running and running and running. So annoying when you're trying to sleep. A little bit irritated. You come out the bathroom and you see the wardrobe like pretty much straight away, so like it's quite a decent size to be fair. If you're wondering what these are, you'll have to watch the weekly vlog. Let's just move them. Rip. So in here we have the clothes that I've brought from home, my shoes, my handbag, my camera bag, pajamas, hoodies, and a handbag. I'm not going to go through each item individually. I haven't ever filmed a wardrobe tour, but I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. I've got trousers on this hanger, clothes, and then I do also have more clothes in my drawer. That's the wardrobe. Up here, this is where I keep my laundry stuff. And then the bit I feel like you guys are most interested in is my bed, and I absolutely love it. It's all creased because I've just been sat on it. Hold on. But this is my bed. I actually really like it. It's actually so comfy. So pleasantly surprised just because my bed at home is actually quite uncomfortable. So I think I've had an upgrade, like coming to uni, it's a lot comfier. So just really quickly, the bedding is actually from Asda. I've had so many questions. It is reversible grey and pink geometric bedding from George, and then this I think is from the range, I don't really know. The cushions, Primark, Next. And the fairy lights are from Amazon. They just hang off command strips from the ceiling, so like my dad command stripped them up and I think it looks so nice like this. Like, yeah, I love it. And then this is my desk area. Now it actually does look a little bit messy, but it's organised mess. So I have this storage unit, and you're probably thinking that is a tip, but it's actually not, because all of this is my art supplies. Obviously I'm doing an art course, so that is what all of this is. These are my electronic things, so like extension leads, tripod, my light, which I actually haven't set up for this video because I didn't think there was much point, it would have just been in the way. Oh, my command strips are on the floor. And then down there I have my suitcase. On top of here I've just kept the 3 eyeshadow palettes that I've brought. These were meant to be on top. I've got a sellotape dispenser, which has no sellotape in, and a stapler, my hairbrush and my hair curlers, and also my hair straighteners, which are just like hidden away. And then this print here is by Desenio. I absolutely love this. I had it up in my old room. I brought it with me. Clock. This is from Asda again. A lot of it is from Asda. There's a lot of trailing wires, but I can't really do anything about it. So I love this area so much. So here I have my like weekly planner for 2018. And then this is the book that I'm currently reading, apart from I haven't actually started it yet. And then this is all of the makeup that I have brought with me, which actually is not much, but I haven't been wearing very much makeup, so I didn't feel the need to bring that much. And I have my eyeshadow palettes too. I have my makeup brushes. I have, what are these called? Pocket backpacks from Bath & Body Works, my deodorant, a strobe cream, and a setting spray, a heat defense spray, and some fine liners. The ugliest thing about this room is the curtains. Rank. This is my little memo board. I've just got like tickets and photo booth photos and little postcards. I've got my little Polaroid pictures and all things like this. I don't really know what else to show you. I've got my New York boarding pass, just like, you know, a montage of things that are nice memories to think about. On my windowsill, I have an assortment of items. I have a Lush bath bomb because I'm not gonna lie, when I moved in, the room smelled kind of funky. Still smells, like you don't notice it when you're in it, but when you leave and you come back in, you're like, oh, it stinks. And I low-key think whoever had this room before me was like sneakily smoking in it, because it smells like smoke really bad. Obviously it's not me, and you can't smoke in the building, so I don't understand how it could be, but it smells like cigarettes, so sound. My next item is Christopher the Caterpillar? No, Christopher the Cactus. We love him. And then I also have a room diffuser, which seems to not be doing anything, to be honest. And then I also love this little area. So I have my good luck card from my parents, which is just there. Then Zoella's wonderful notebook. Picture of me and Tom, and then some tissues, because I'm not gonna lie, you may have seen I've been a bit teary since I've moved in. And then this mirror, which I brought from home because I knew I'd have this mirror here, which is very handy, but there's nowhere to like see your outfit, so I thought this is pretty good because you kind of get like a full length. I do not usually have my tripod out, although it probably will stay up now because I am lazy. And then I have this photo rack, which is absolutely adorable. It's so nice. It has all my favorite memories on it. And I just absolutely love this so much. And I think this was, actually the frame belonged to my granddad, so I don't know where this is from, but you can get them everywhere. The mirror is very basic, it's just a black mirror. And then something I also love, this used to be my granddad's too actually, is this magazine rack, because I have a couple of magazines that I just love. Like I've got Glamour magazine, Elle magazine, Vogue, like all of the like fashiony ones, and they're like quite old, but I really like them. And then I think my favorite part of my room is this shelving unit, because yes please. So at the top I have all of my favorite books. So I have the Harry Potter books, and then I have like all of my favorite classics. So I've got a couple by Jane Austen and Fitzgerald, and like all of the books that I studied at A-level. And then I have my bottle of perfume and a bottle of gin, because can you be a uni student without having gin in your room? I also have my Instax Mini, and then a photo frame with me, Jenny, Gabby and Erin in it, and then this light, which is annoyingly in the way and it's like fixed to the wall, but whatever. And then on this shelf, I also really love this. I have another Zoella notebook here, and then this M is from Next Home. My big camera, which is the Canon 700D, and then I have this little vase, this little pot plant, which is fake because I kill every plant I own, and then an Inspire sign, which is by Zoella, and then this little life quote about photography. And then I also really love these. So this is a candle, these are more candles, and then this is Tom and the Eiffel Tower. And I love these little shelves at the bottom. I think it really makes it. So the last thing really is this little chest of drawers in my desk. So I'll start from the bottom up because the bottom is the most exciting drawer. This is my snack drawer, and I feel like as a university student this is essential, because what if you get hungry in the middle of the night and you don't want to go to the kitchen? So in here I've got brunch bars, naked bars, crackers, breakaways, Oreos, crisps, chocolate, 10 mini rolls, digestive biscuit, mini cheddars, popcorn and celebrations, and then some other bits and bobs that are miscellaneous. And I really don't like the word miscellaneous, but I'm gonna use it because they are. And then I also have this bowl, which I didn't want to put in the kitchen because I'm like low-key scared somebody else will use it or it will break, and I love this bowl, so I'm just keeping this in here. Then I can like fill it with snacks. And then in here I just have pajamas and like t-shirts that don't really need to be hung up. So I also have like some going out outfits, although I'm not gonna lie, I didn't actually bring that many going out out clothes, so that could be a mistake. And then these are pajamas, and then this is gym stuff, as if I'm actually gonna go to a gym. And then this top one here is like underwear and stuff, so it's really boring. I also have my nail varnishes, which, oh no, these aren't my nail varnishes. What are these? These are my hair bubbles. Love that. And then yeah, that is basically it. This mirror is very handily placed, and I also have a radiator, which is obviously great because it's gonna get so cold in a winter. And then the last things are just like my bags, which I've just been keeping in this corner. So I've got a bag from the uni filled with like art stuff, and then this is the handbag that I have been taking to uni, which is my Teddy Blake bag, which I absolutely love. If you want a what's in my university bag, please give it a thumbs up. I could definitely film it. It'll be different to every other one I've ever filmed, purely because I do art now and it's all art stuff. But yeah, I think that we have got through everything. I don't know, I feel like there was more stuff. Maybe I have a lot more. A lot of my stuff is in the kitchen because like food was an essential. But I'm gonna sit back down and end the video now. Okay, so I'm actually gonna end this video here. I thought in my head that this would take way longer, but then I realized my room is actually not that big. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you do want to watch my journey of university, you guys can subscribe. I've uploaded a couple of videos so far. Got a bit emotional in one of them. Packing was another one. There'll be a lot more coming. I've got a weekly vlog coming on Saturday from my first week at university, where I talk through everything, the highs, the lows, the bits in between. So do subscribe if you're new and you want to see those. Let me know down in the comments if you have just started at uni too, what you're feeling like, what your room is like, all of that. And I will be back on Saturday with a weekly vlog. From now on, my video schedule will go back to normal, so I'm going to do Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday. Obviously I can't do my Thursday upload, which was my drive with me, because I don't have my car with me in Leeds. I'm getting a lot of questions about where my car is. I have left my car back in Beverley. Because I plan on going home quite often, I don't think it's too bad, but it is a bit annoying. But yeah, I don't have my car, so no drive with me. Apart from that, I'll be back on Saturday with a weekly vlog. Bye!